Alright, today I'm going to show you how to download and install Ventrilo. First you want to go to ventrilo.com. There's only one L in that. Alright, and you'll get this web page. You'll want to go to download. Then it's got it set up for Mac and Windows, whatever you have. I've got 32-bit Windows 7. So I'm just going to click on that link. I agree. I have Google Chrome, so the download will be in the bottom corner here, but yeah. Alright, and then you want to get the folder of it open. Just bring that to the desktop there. You don't have to do that. I'll just open it up. Hit run. This is the installer. Accept. Next. 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 Alright, and then it'll install here. I actually already have it installed, so I don't know if it's going to a different location or what, but here it is, just icon popped up right there. Alright, you want to hit finish. Okay, and then double click that, open it up. It's giving me some, just ignore that. Alright, you get a window that's like this, alright? So, go get your Ventrilo information right here. Alright, and then bring up Vent. Alright, where the username box, the top one, click on that little arrow next to it. Hit new. The name box is what the other people in the vent will see you as. So I'll just make any name there. Alright, and then you want to go down to server, and then go to the little arrow next to that box. Hit new. Alright, and then this name will be whatever server. So I'll just do Outcast, because that's the guild server. Okay, and then I'm going to go in here to the vent info they have. Just type in the host name or IP, the host name. Alright, and then go down to port number, put in the port, and then there's a password. Alright, so, and then you just hit connect. I don't have the password though, so if you did have the password, yeah, you just put that in there. So I'll show you some other one. Band. When you set up the vent thing, it'll save it in that list that you can see right here. These are all different vents that I've been on. So it just saves them all here, so you can just go back to it anytime. It's real easy. Alright, that's it.